tested over 24 blenders, including high-speed blenders, bar blenders, and personal blenders. No matter what kind of blender you're looking for, the end goal is a uniformly blended product, and all of our top picks deliver on this. If you don't have a ton of space in your kitchen, but you know you want to make smoothies and sauces, a personal blender might be the right choice for you. Versus if you're going to make larger batches of soup or things like a nut butter, then a high-speed blender would be a great choice. So in general, you'll get more functions in a larger high-speed blender. All of our picks come with BPA-free carafes, which is particularly important when you're blending something hot like a soup. So higher wattage means that there's more power in your blender, which means you can blend up something like a nut butter or cut through tougher foods like kale. So before testing, we took into consideration the safety features of the blenders, their weight, the carafe design, and the design of the blades. We blended frozen margaritas and berry and greens smoothies to test for uniformity. We also roasted nuts and made them into nut butter to test the power. And we blended homemade mayonnaise to see how well the blender emulsified. These are 3 of our top picks for blenders. Our pick for best overall is the Vitamix Explorian E310. Vitamix is a restaurant industry standard, and the Explorian is a safe and easy-to-use version for home. This blender has a squat carafe, so it fits underneath your upper cabinets. It's also one of the most affordable Vitamixes. Its high power is great for all sorts of tasks like nut butters and mayonnaise. It can also create heat in the carafe through friction, so you can blend a soup in the blender without cooking it first, within reason. I personally use this exact blender to make a smoothie out of frozen fruit every morning. I start by adding greens that are high in water and liquid to the bottom of the carafe before adding fresh and frozen fruit. So a way to save a little bit of money on this model and still have it under warranty is to buy a certified refurbished one on the Vitamix website. Our pick for best value is the Ninja Professional Blender. So this is a budget-friendly high-speed blender that's often on sale for less than $100. It has basic controls, but still delivered solid results in all of our tests. It comes with Ninja's unique extractor blades that can reach higher into the carafe compared with other high-speed blenders with blades just on the bottom. Its high-capacity carafe makes it great for blending frozen drinks or smoothies for a crowd. We also love that you can remove the blade, so both the carafe and blade are dishwasher safe. Our pick for the best personal blender is the Beast Blender. So this isn't your average personal blender. This Instagram famous blender has a 1,000-watt motor, which rivals many high-speed blenders on the market. It's a fairly heavy blender, which means it won't walk on your counter while you're blending up something like a smoothie or a nut butter. The Beast excels at blending frozen fruits and tough veggies into smoothies, which personal blenders can sometimes struggle with. You can buy just the blender or opt for the hydration system that comes with a smaller carafe and infuser bottle. Our one complaint is that if you want to take your smoothie to go, the carafe won't fit in a cup holder. So our favorite blenders tended to have a higher wattage but were easy to use, and really you don't have to spend a ton of money to get a great blender.